Hello and welcome to the video. So today's video I'm going to show you how I work out and train living and travelling in a micro camper. Now we're currently in beautiful Friedberg and we're about to hopefully set off to Nuremberg. Now I say hopefully as we have been having some car problems. The other day we drove through a horrendous storm and we ended up stalling and breaking down in a Burger King, and we slept in the Burger King car park overnight. I called my dad, who used to be a mechanic, and he said the electronics might be wet, and in the morning it worked and we drove here to Friedberg and the same thing happened again. So we've left her for 3 days to soak up the sun, get rid of any moisture that could be on the electrics, and hopefully make our way to Nuremberg. I haven't been this nervous since I realised Loretta could see my search history on the internet. Come on, baby. Nope.
Didn't do that before, did it? Just want to try one more time.
You think?
I don't know.
That definitely didn't sound like it was going to start. No, it's got even worse, if anything.
Okay. Anything you want to say?
No. Breakdown cover. Oh.
Thank you. We're parked safely, yeah. So we're in Friedberg, like fried bread, but B-E-R-G after the fried. Oh, perfect. Thank you. You take care. I'll get a text or something soon from the European agent.
And they'll just let us know what's going on?
Yeah, they'll then probably call and ask more details and then decide.
Later.
Let me just break down.
Much later.
So that didn't quite go as expected. As you can probably see from the footage, the car has been taken in for servicing. Hopefully it is a dodgy fuel pump, which we don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, do we? Online it says it can be like a $90 to like a $1,600 fix, so it's not really useful. But on the plus side, we get to stay in a fancy hotel for the night. This will be the first bed we've slept in like 6 weeks.
No, 5.
5 weeks? That's close enough, isn't it?
Yeah, true.
5 weeks, so whoo, the things that are going to happen in here.
Honestly, we asked for single beds, but unfortunately they put them together.
Yeah.
Devo.
But yeah, we're going to have a good sleep. And following the theme, because the theme was to show you how I work out and train living in a micro camper, this place does have a gym. So I know that's kind of cheating, but I'm going to go and do a gym workout in the morning. So I'm pretty stoked for that. So we quickly show the room.
Can do.
I can put some fun music on. Dun, dun.
Oh, not like that stupid disco music.
Oh no, like other music. We'll give you a room tour and you can tell we've been on the road for quite a while because all these things have got us excited. A fridge, so now we can have cold food and milk. A TV that is pretty much just the news and foreign channels, but 2 single beds.
Pushed together.
Clothes rack to hang up my sweaty vest.
Wardrobe.
Here's the thing we're most excited about. A shower, shower and a toilet. And the Pier de Resistance. So that's going to be it for today's vlog. Hopefully tomorrow we get some good news about the car and we can go back into travelling in the micro camper and showing you how I stay fit and active, but we do have that gym to check out in the morning. So I'll see you guys bright and early. Guten Morgen! What a beautiful day it is here in Germany. We have yet to hear about the van, so fingers crossed these guys are fixing it. But the main reason we did book this hotel is because it's got a fully stacked fitness centre. So we're gonna go now and get a workout in. Fitness centre. Okay, so that gym definitely was not what was advertised in the brochure. What did you say it was?
Well, it must have been like a stock image because, you know, it had like a person with like a weight. There wasn't a single weight in there, was there?
Well, yeah, it was one archaic machine that was quite confusing to work out, and then some cardio machines, but I actually got in a really good workout. One lesson I've learned living on the road in a micro camper traveling is you have to work out wherever you can, whenever you can, doing whatever you can, and that was a good workout for me. And I think I'm going to be sore tomorrow, the amount of leg exercises I did. Just realised walking to this park, there's another thing I do that helps us keep fit on the road, and I believe it has a term called rucking, and that's basically where you walk with a heavy backpack on. We kind of have to do this because I walk around with my computer, my camera, my rings, my gym equipment, so my pack's probably like 10
And
pounds.
today he's got our battery as well, which I think is like 4 kilos.
Yeah, Loretta, when we went to grab stuff from the van, Loretta grabbed a bag of clothes and I grabbed the leisure battery.
We're so silly.
So not the best. Yeah, so now it's almost midday. We're just patiently
It is midday.
waiting for our phone to ring with some good news about the van. But yeah, we're just gonna sit here and pray. Hopefully have some good news for you guys soon.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. Working on the car, so can I speak to you at 1 o'clock? I think it meaning like in 1 hour.
My heart was literally pounding as you were speaking on the phone. I was like,
Really?
yeah.
Yeah, titties out. Because your bag's so heavy.
Ah.
I'm sorry, titties.
Okay, so we've got to call him back in 1 hour.
Well, I think they says 1 o'clock, but it's 2 o'clock. I think he means 1 hour.
We might be seeing another hotel the way it's going.
Oh,
Well, we don't know. They've got like 3 hours to fix it.
4.
You'll just notice in the bougie time lapse I just did there that I was just doing some mobility. That's another way I stay fit on the road. Whenever we literally got like 20-30 minutes to kill, I'll just open up GoWod and do the mobility.
He is Mr. Mobile.
But I am also the least flexible person in the world. But just because you do mobility doesn't mean you're flexible, but you should still do it. Anyway, off we go.
Let's see. All is good.
I know. Forgive me, Father, for we have sinned. McDonald's in Germany does vegan Sundays and vegan McFlurries. However, if you followed me on Instagram or TikTok, you would know that already. We're basically just trying to kill time, waiting to hear back from the garage people. It is 10 to 3, so people said to call back at 3 o'clock.
Oh, then they said they call me.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the people said they're going to call us back in like 10 minutes, hopefully. Fingers crossed with some good news about the car.
Okay, so they've changed the gas filter, which is what we thought. It said it was really dirty. Some hoses and some lines. I think they might probably were really rusty or something like that. They would quite like to change like the injector or something like that. They said they can't order the parts from Nissan because she's so old, but they do have parts in old cars. But they would need another day
Okay.
to get them. So I might just call breakdown, yeah.
So we're at our new hotel. We've been here for about half an hour and it's pretty fancy, right? But there is one problem with it. We can't check in. There's no one on reception. They've given us a number to call. Nobody answers it. We've called it like 50 times. So I literally don't know what to do. There is free apples and water though.
Hello, I think hotels.com just called you on my behalf. What's the code for? Oh, for the key. So where do we find that? Where do we put the code?
OMG, it's like the Crystal Maze.
B thinks it's all a sign and we should just call
I
it.
don't know, it seems like Europates us.
I just think it's how we respond to things. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, that's an adventure.
Yeah.
That phone call was hilarious. Getting this key was hilarious, if I'm honest.
Great content, yeah, I hear you. Go in. Room number 2. Oh, that is a bit of me. That's what I'm missing in my life.
I like the look of this remote. I understand I've seen this remote before.
Okay guys, we made it. We've got the room, second hotel room in 2 days. This is literally just ironic that I wanted to stop doing travel vlogs, but my fitness vlogs literally just turned into like a travel kind of vlog. But this place is like a health and wellness place, so it's got a sauna, a swimming pool, looks like a Zen garden outside, and a fitness center, dumbbells and stuff, so it's gonna be pretty awesome. But yeah, we need to go get an iPhone charger before our batteries die. Yeah, I don't know if I can take a camera into the sauna and stuff, so we'll have to check it out.
Later.
Just went and checked out the sauna. It was really nice. Me and Loretta lasted like 15 minutes, and now we're pretty much done. It's been an eventful day. Loretta's just cleaned my pants and socks in the sink.
Yeah, Pete only brought one pair of socks, so cleaning.
Yeah, underprepared, and then yeah, as I said before, we had to go and buy.
Prepared.
Oh,
Underprepared.
very good. And then yeah, we had to go and buy an iPhone charger, even though I've got a leisure battery and every single charger for absolutely anything bar an iPhone, which is the only one we need. Yeah, we're gonna chill out. It's literally like 7:30. We're zenning, and we're very positive the van is going to be fixed and back on the road. So in the morning I get up, hopefully if I sleep well, we'll go and do a little workout, show you the gym.
Not me. Oh, you mean the royal we?
Yeah, we, not ye. Yeah, so we'll see you guys in the morning.
Choose.
Choose.
The next day.
Good morning guys. This is the gym. I'm going to talk quietly because there's a sign that says talk quietly, but this is the gym. Not too bad. Nice selection of dumbbells, your obligatory cardio machine, and some benches here. I'm feeling pretty tired. It's been a long few days, you probably tell from the video, but I've just checked the weather and it looks like it's supposed to rain for the next like 3 days. So this might be my last opportunity to get a workout in. So I'm just gonna have a fun workout, just do what feels good. I think it's probably gonna be a bit of a bro upper body session, as my legs are super tired. I did a lot of leg volume yesterday, and plus all the walking around, the rucking. I'm not going to film because I think this video is getting very long. But yeah, I'm going to get a session in, and then hopefully we have some good news about the car. I'm sat outside the train station. We are once again waiting to see if the car is being fixed. We haven't heard anything yet. It's now gone 2 o'clock, but I thought this would give me plenty of time to actually talk about the main topic of this video, which isn't our breakdown of the van, but more importantly, how I'm staying active and training while living in the van, hopefully, if we get the van back and it's fixed. So this morning I trained in the gym. It's actually a pretty decent gym. They had a plethora of dumbbells, so I ended up doing an upper body session. Yesterday I did a lower body session with a little bit of shoulders and arms. That means I pretty much managed to get a full body session in 2 days, and that's kind of how I like to train. I like to do upper lower, day off, upper lower if possible. But as I say, when you are traveling, it can be difficult because things like the weather, which apparently starting tomorrow is supposed to be terrible for like 3 days, which makes training outside difficult. And also when it's really hot, which it has been a lot, it's difficult to train outside as well, so you have to get up either really early or train in the evening when it's a bit cooler. I also want to drop some other caveats of why I love working out so much, and this may help keep you motivated. If you're someone who doesn't really love or haven't fallen in love with working out now, take your focus off the aesthetics of how you look. Strength training helps prevent osteoporosis, it helps prevent arthritis, also helps on your posture and stops muscle loss as you get older. All of these things are going to help you live a longer, healthier, happier life, as well as doing daily mobility, which I think is highly important as well. I don't know if I said earlier, but I use GoWOD. I have made an entire video on my experience with GoWOD, which is, I believe, over a year now, and I still use it every single day. I actually got up and did my GoWOD mobility this morning in my hotel room. And third, and probably the most important factor for me when it comes to physical exercise, is stress relief. Like, what we're going through now is pretty stressful. Like, we're living and traveling in a van, and our van is in a garage, and we don't know if it's going to be all right. We don't have much money. We don't know how much it's going to cost to fix. We still don't know if it's fixed yet. But being able to exercise and do mobility helps me release this anxiety and stress that difficult situations can cause. Okay, I'm sat on the floor just by the train station. This is literally the quietest area I could find to film, so I'll get back to Loretta and hopefully the car is sorted out soon.
Yeah.
I also know you're not supposed to wear sunglasses when you speak to the camera, but it's really sunny, so I don't really literally know what you're supposed to do. I know they say rule number 1, don't don't wear sunglasses when you're taught, yeah, because it hides your eyes and people want to be able to see into your eyes. You're hiding something.
He's got rubbish eyes anyway.
Yeah, but yeah, that's why I've got the sunglasses on.
People will probably assume it's like frigging the sun is like beating upon us.
I don't know, I just like to clarify things on this
Bless
channel.
you.